So this is Douglas Lake. We came down here to just do the little pop-up live stream to pick our winners. And there's a dad and his little boy over here fishing. And the little one has frustration with learning how to fish. The dad's giggling. The little boy is like, ah. Cute though, adorable. So this is something we don't usually see because we are usually over there. And this is water. This is water here. You can see this is a floating dock. So the water's down right now. And it floats up. Obviously, it floats up to be a floating dock for fishing or something. And they have it built so that it's behind the trees and around the trees so that it doesn't float away, I guess, when it's in use. And then here, look at this, a rope swing.
Which would be kind of devastating right now.
So they obviously catch the rope swing up here and then swing out, drop in the water. But of course, they got to be careful. My goodness, look at all the rocks. There's some huge rocks. So they have to be really careful, like if they swing, come out right in here where there's away from those rocks if they fall, because they wouldn't want to hit that. And then I guess they just swim back and either climb up there or swim back to the dock. So there are a lot of big boulder rocks in here and a lot of little rocks. So you really have to be careful. I have to hold on to Donnie's arm to walk because I actually slipped right up there. I actually slipped. So I'm glad I was holding on to Donnie at the time, so I did not fall. So this is the area right here where it gets slippery. These little rocks and stuff, it's quite slippery in there, so you have to be really careful when the water's low. you.